Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make butter chicken. So let's start the recipe. Take 400 gram of boneless chicken. Add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them well and leave for 30 minutes. Now fry them in oil. Add some curry leaves. I'm just adding it for flavor purpose. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 bay leaf, half inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves. Saute it well. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 medium-sized onion and tomato puree. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt according to your taste. So now, I have taken 10 to 15 cashews. Now make it to a paste. Adding the cashew paste, mix well with the curry. Add half cup of milk and don't use water for this recipe. Later add the fried chicken to the curry. Add half cup of heavy cream. And close the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just check the consistency and switch off the flame. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee in a small bowl and place it in center. Then heat the coal in the flame before adding and close the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add some crushed kasuri methi. And yeah, your butter chicken is ready now. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button for instant notification.